Look at that! Oh, they're good.
It's the milk we make that's at the heart of sweet.
Like this? Oh, kag mga bata kali.
Hi, my name is Alex. I'm a quality supervisor here at the Hershey Chocolate Factory. I was asked to be your guide today, and I can't wait to show you around. Everyone ready? Let's go. It all starts with cocoa beans, which are harvested and shipped to us from tropical regions around the world. We send the cocoa beans through our trading machine.
Marian!
Screen and thoroughly remove unwanted parts like pulp and bits of cacao pod. Our cocoa experts carefully select, sort, and combine beans from various countries in precise amounts to achieve that unique and consistent Hershey's flavor.
Roasting.
We
Chocolate
turns into large
My grandchildren
roasters, which
have.
get extremely hot. Toasty in here, isn't it? Next, we quickly cool the beans and feed them into our breaking chamber, which cracks open the shells at high speed.
Christoph! Christoph!
Inside the shell are
Christoph!
tiny pieces
Christoph!
of cocoa. Hey, a good friend of mine is going to tell us more.
Hey everyone! Below me are milling machines which grind cocoa nibs into unsweetened chocolate. Cocoa nibs have been ground down like this for thousands of years. Milling machines generate lots of heat through intense pressure and friction. The grinding turns cocoa nibs into the smooth, dark liquid used to make milk and dark chocolate.
Our pressing machines squeeze the unsweetened chocolate into discs of cocoa powder known as Hershey's cocoa. Pressing also produces cocoa butter, which we'll use later on in the process.
Hadlok na po si Korea, no? Ha?
Every day, shiny tanker trucks pick up milk from local farms and line up outside our factory for delivery. Hershey is one of the only companies in the world that uses fresh milk to make milk chocolate. Fresh milk is part of what gives Hershey's milk chocolate its delicious and distinctive taste.
Hi guys! We're having a tour in a chocolate.
Part of my job is to make sure all
The
of that
chocolate
milk
tours
is
how
high
chocolate is
quality.
made.
Once it passes testing, we make sugar into
Central
the
blending.
batching tanks. We pasteurize and condense the sweetened milk and then blend in the perfect amount of unsweetened chocolate. This is where the art of chocolate making all comes together. As the mixture cooks, it begins to form delicious little pieces that we call chocolate crumbs.
Marian! Right. No chocolate crumb.
We dry the chocolate crumb into a coarse powder. Then we mix in the cocoa butter we pressed out earlier and add a dash of vanilla. This brings out the chocolate's rich taste and creamy texture. And of course, that wonderful smell.
We're now in refining. Mixing.
We feed the chocolate crumb through steel rollers that grind and refine the chocolate until it reaches a
Crunching.
smooth, uniform consistency. Here's our friend Kiss to explain the next step in the process.
Hi, everybody. These conching machines use big granite rollers to smooth and transform refined milk into milk chocolate. The conching process mixes and heats the chocolate, developing a rich flavor crumb until it reaches the silky liquid texture of milk chocolate.
Molding. Molding now.
After conching,
Different process of
chocolate.
how the chocolate is made.
Just the right texture and
Now the packaging.
during tempering, we can mix in other ingredients such as roasted California almonds. Next, we pour the milk chocolate into molds and send them on a bumpy conveyor ride. Then we send the molds through cooling tunnels that solidify the chocolate.
Oh, the machine.
All of that fresh, delicious Hershey's chocolate goodness is finally ready to be packaged.
Like Hershey's milk chocolate, special dark box.
Hey, don't forget about Reese's peanut butter cups.
Everyone has a favorite. Mine are Hershey's Kisses chocolate.
Aw, thanks, Alex. That's so sweet.
Looks like our packages are ready to go. And I'm ready
There's
to
a
get going
packaging
too.
here.
It's been a privilege
No.
being your guide today.
Shipping.
Remember that wherever you go, you're never far from a piece of Hershey's happiness. So be sure to share that love with the ones you love. Thank you, everyone.
Now the shipping. Smile. Now. Smile.
Okay, now everybody say Hershey's in 3, 2,
Hershey's.
Okay, gang, time to go share some goodness.
So nice. What a wonderful toy. Very nice.
Well, now you know the hard work, pride, and joy that goes into making every piece of Hershey's goodness.
Come visit us again soon.
Please remain seated until the door opens and watch your step on the moving platform. And enjoy the rest of your day here at Hershey's Chocolate World.
Thank
So
you,
long,
Hershey
everyone.
Chocolate World. Thank you, Chocolate World. We enjoy the tour.
Sarah's have a good one. Yeah, those are good. Are you gonna buy some, Jay?
Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Ay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. May kagan.
Nakay ko, Teo. Nara mo.
Ha?
Nara sila.
Hoy, Nara.
Asa ta?
Asa man ta? Aman ta? Thank you. We're done now. Okay guys. Tapos na kami nag-tour ng Chocolate World Tour. Bye!